Protests outside courthouse where the case of Donnelly Donaldson is scheduled to be heard. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links Below 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links Below 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A number of protesters gathered outside the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday in anticipation for Constable Noel Maitland's appearance on the murder charge in connection with the disappearance of social media influencer and also his girlfriend, Donnelly Donaldson. The protesters thought that it was necessary to show up in support for the family because they're going through a difficult time.
No peace.
No justice.
No peace.
Call our name.
Donnelly.
What's your name?
Donnelly.
What's your name?
Donnelly.
What's your name?
Donnelly.
Show thy name.
Donnelly.
What we want?
Justice.
I think this is an injustice because all of this is supposed to be put together already, because they said that today would have been the hearing, so everything they should have this mishap this morning, so that is have the public on edge again or wondering if it's a setup. Well, I guess with everything that is happening right now, the police is slow and doing everything in this case, and this is what led it to be here. We can't find out, there's nobody. There is nobody talking, nobody saying anything. And I think if the police had paid attention more earlier and work on this case, it could have been a major burst and we would have found that body already. They gave them too much time to clean up the mess.
So it's actually a month now and no signs of Donnelly.
So it's actually a month and there's no sign, no trace, nothing at all of Donnelly. I'm a member of the public because I have a daughter that is a little bit older than Donnelly, and it could have been my daughter. So that's why I'm here.
Oh, so you're not a family member?
I'm not a family member. I'm not a family friend. I'm a total stranger.
And I personally think it's a decoy. For whatever reason the decoy was for, it is a decoy, in my opinion, because they deliberately know what was going to take place, and they change it without people knowing. What they are saying is misinformation in the media. As it relates to the process, the court system in Jamaica, like everybody know, it's very sloppy. Even the hospitals, they need a lot of changes as it relates to the justice system in Jamaica. And this, when we realize what they want to do is to keep drawing the case out, like what we see they do other cases over the years. And we are saying that we are going to be here, whether day out and day, we are going to be here. It doesn't matter how long them take it, we are going to be here, demonstrating for justice.
Do you believe justice will be served?
Yes, and if we don't get it one way, we're going to get it the other way. Yes, so it must serve.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.